Are you feeling like you're missing something in life? Do you get bored, irritated, or just lost? Maybe you're stuck in the daily grind, going to the office, sitting in endless traffic, coming home only to do it all over again tomorrow. Somewhere along the way, you started to wonder, is this it? If that sounds like you, stay tuned. Because today on Quiet Hustle, we're diving into that feeling, why it happens, and most importantly, how you can break out of it. But first, I have a question. What is it that you think you're missing? By the end of the video, you'll have a step-by-step plan to get your spark back. Step 1. Find the root of the feeling. Don't brush it off. Acknowledging these feelings is powerful. Ask yourself, is your job uninteresting, but you keep doing it out of necessity? Are you craving a sense of purpose or passion that your daily routine doesn't offer? Do you feel disconnected from the people around you or from activities that once brought you joy? Is burnout from overwork or lack of rest weighing you down? Take a moment to reflect. Maybe even jot down your thoughts. Step 2. Introduce change. Small, consistent shifts. You don't need to overhaul your life in a day. Start a morning ritual just for you, journaling, a short walk, or reading a book you love. Try something new at work or outside. Ask for a new project, sign up for a class, or pick up a creative hobby. Make space, even if it's just 10 minutes, to do something you enjoy. Reconnect with old friends or family through a call, message, or meetup. Step 3. Reframe your mindset. Is this feeling permanent or just the result of a rut? Practice gratitude journaling. Notice what is working in your life. Celebrate small wins. Even just finishing a tough workday counts. Growth often happens outside comfort zones. This discomfort may be the start of new possibilities. Step 4. Seek inspiration and support. You're not alone. Everyone feels lost sometimes. Listen to podcasts or read books about personal growth. Follow communities like Quiet Hustle. If you're struggling to move forward alone, consider talking to a coach or therapist. Sometimes an external perspective is just what you need. Step 5. Take action. Start small, start now. Pick one small thing from today's steps and do it this week. Schedule it into your calendar. Set a reminder. Tell someone about your goal to keep yourself accountable. Remember the question I asked at the start? By taking these steps, you'll begin to discover not just what you're missing, but how to create more meaning in your life, right where you are. You're not lost. You're just one step away from clarity. If this video spoke to you, let us know in the comments what small change you'll try this week. And don't forget to subscribe to Quiet Hustle for more ideas on building a balanced, fulfilling life, one quiet step at a time.